100 years ago, Minnesota's landscape underwent many changes as settlers moved in to farm the land. Wolverton Creek was one waterway that was straightened in the hopes of providing better drainage for farmers. However, straightening the creek combined with a lack of sediment control created issues along the channel. Sediment from erosion started accumulating in the bottom of the channel, which created water quality impairments and increased sedimentation further downstream. These issues were so bad that during a cleanout project in the 1970s, workers found the top of a fence post buried beneath sediment that had built up in the bottom of Wolverton Creek. Local landowners and farmers urged the Buffalo-Red River Watershed District, along with the Clay and Wilkin Soil and Water Conservation Districts, to address these issues.
The Buffalo-Red River Watershed District hired Houston Engineering to restore Wolverton Creek back to a more natural state. Houston Engineering designed a three-phase restoration project to unstraighten 20 miles of Wolverton Creek, lengthening the river by 6 miles. As of this fall, the first phase of the project has been completed, and Phase 2 construction is currently underway. It is scheduled to be completed next summer. Once all 3 phases are complete, the restoration project will account for more than 740 acres of new riparian prairie habitat along the riverbank, which provides habitat for wildlife and protects croplands. Many side inlets will also be installed along the project as a best management practice to reduce sediment runoff. This restoration project restores Wolverton Creek to a more natural state, creates natural habitat, reduces erosion, lowers sedimentation, and protects water quality.